Changemaker is a businessman who knows no limits when it comes to achieving his goals. Paul Tudisco is a person with cerebral palsy, supported by the Adapt Community Network, and now he's giving back in more ways than one.
Changemakers, brought to you by Adapt Community Network, empowering people through innovative solutions one person at a time. We change.
When Paul Tudisco has an idea, he takes action.
Well, I started looking into my product when it was just a thought in my mind.
Paul's vision led him to create the Limitless Stylus, a device that allows people with mobility issues to use touchscreen devices. It's a struggle he understands all too well as a person living with cerebral palsy, supported by the Adapt Community Network. The device was born nearly a decade ago after Paul attended a program at NYU through a partnership with Adapt.
Thanks to, Adapt and their partnerships, I'm where I'm at today.
Paul creates each stylus at home with his 3D printer. They come in different sizes and designs, and business is booming.
I get orders from overseas.
Paul is also an Adapt employee, putting his tech expertise to work as a help desk specialist, assisting people supported by Adapt by troubleshooting various IT issues.
I'm very good with technology. If you give me a problem, if I'm face to face with the problem, I know how to solve it most of the time.
Peter Cobb is Adapt's Director of Community Outreach.
Never had a doubt that he would succeed in a job with Adapt, where he was helping other people with tech issues, because I've seen that happening in real time.
But Paul didn't stop there. The born entrepreneur decided to tackle another challenge, getting his real estate license.
I know what to look for when you have to move into a disability-friendly place.
Sean Toth, an educational specialist at Adapt, helped Paul prepare for his real estate exam.
He enrolled on his own in a 75-hour course, and we met several times a week and went over questions. He doesn't look at his disability as a big obstacle. He wants people to see him for who he is.
That's why I really did what I did, to show people with disabilities that if you put your mind to it, there's no stopping wherever you want to go.
Paul has a lifelong connection with Adapt, taking part in programs at the organization as a child. He recently applied for a grant program through Adapt to help make the bathroom in his new home fit his needs.
Without these programs, people with disability will be out of luck.
Paul wants his accomplishments to serve as an inspiration to others.
I don't want people giving up. That's my main goal. If I don't give up on something, I don't want nobody else to give up. I want them to follow their dreams.
Well, you can visit limitlessstylus.com for more on the devices Paul creates to help folks with limited mobility. And if you know a good change maker in your community, I would love to hear from you. Reach out to me.